Hey there, I'm Chibs Okereke, and today we're going to use the breath to relax our body and mind. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or if you simply need to tap into some inner peace, this is your opportunity to reset. By the end of this meditation, there will be less stress in the body and mind, and you'll feel calmer, more centered, and ready to move forward with a sense of ease. Let's find a comfortable position. Eyes open or closed, whatever feels good. And let's begin by taking note of our breath. Following the breath in and out. Now we're not so much watching the breath, we're experiencing the breath, we're feeling the breath. So what does it feel like to breathe? Perhaps we can feel the cool air coming in through the nostrils as we breathe in, as the lungs, the chest, the stomach expand. And then we might notice a short pause as the breath changes direction and the warm air leaves the nostrils as the body softens and relaxes and sinks deeper into the chair or into the bed. We breathe in and the body expands. Then we breathe out as the body softens, relaxes, and sinks deeper. If the mind drifts off, that's okay. It's perfectly normal. It's what our minds are designed to do. Just gently come back to the breath. Back to that next inhale and that next exhale. And now, for the next minute or so, we're going to lengthen our exhale so that we can engage our relaxation response. A good way of doing this is to do a little count inside the mind. So let's breathe in for 3 and then breathe out for 6. Breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing in, 2, 3, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do a couple more at your own pace, breathing in and slowly breathing out. Now you can allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. How's the body breathing now? Is the breath a little slower? Perhaps a little deeper? Pausing when we feel stressed, even if it's only for a minute, can make the world of difference. It may not get rid of all of our problems, but it can certainly make them feel a little more manageable. Notice how the body's feeling after this very short practice, and notice how the mind is feeling. And cracking open the eyes if they were closed. You're welcome to come back here anytime you need a quick relief from stress. Have a wonderful day.